Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So in today's video we are going to talk about multi-company consistency. So when a record is made shareable between several companies by means of a company ID field which we made in the previous video, that it could be empty. So when it is empty means that it is shareable between different companies and different user from different companies can access this record. So in this case, we must take care that it cannot be linked to a record of another model through the relational field. For instance, we do not want to have a sales order and its invoice belonging to the different companies. So in our custom module, we have two models, course and session. Let me go to the sessions model and open any of this record. So here we have a many to one field, which is instructor, and its relation is with the raise.pattern model. So in the raise.pattern model, we also have a company field. Let me go to the sales and show you the raise.pattern model customer. So here we have this customer. So let me open it, and here it is also an instructor, and here we have a company field. So this customer is assigned a company San Francisco. So if only one company is activated, you will see only the records of that specific company and the records that have not been assigned any company. But the problem is that if we assigned both the companies, so for example, in this case, I am going to assign both of these companies to this user. And if I try here to check, I can see two customers. So both of them are from the different companies. So the user, this record is assigned San Francisco, but if I assign another instructor to this session, I will get the error. So let me save it. So now it is working fine, but if I logged out from this company like Chicago, and let me see how it behaves. So here if I try to open it, and this is for Chicago. So I have done a mistake. So let me again assign both the companies. So I need to assign one from, so this is for Francisco. So let me assign another one from Chicago. So this one, okay, and save it. Okay, it is saved, and let me see that, and let me confirm the company of this one. So the company is Chicago, but this one is Francisco. So let me sign out of the company Chicago. And now let me open it, and if I try to access this record, I will get an error message that you cannot access it because it belongs to a different company. So this is the problem that arises, that the instructor is from a different company, but the session is for a different company. So in order to avoid such situation, we need to add another attribute here, which is company check. So in order to do so, first of all, we need to add check company auto at the class level, which is this one. So here we need to add another attribute, which is check company auto equal to true. And what this will does, this will automatically check the companies for the record selecting. Okay, so let me add here check company equal to true. So once we add this attribute, it adds something, a domain like on this field, to show only the customers and the records that belongs to the company that is selected on this record. So let me restart Odoo service, and then let me upgrade the module. Okay, I got an error message. So let me see what the error says. So here the error says that field company ID used in the domain must be present in the view but missing. So what is the view ID, which is this one? So let me copy it and search for this view. So this is the view. So let me scroll down and here we have one-to-many field, and we have the instructor ID field. So I have already mentioned that when we add check company, it adds a domain on the field. So uh, it adds a domain based on the company ID, but it could not find the company ID here. Therefore, we got the error message. So we need to add the company ID field here, company ID, and then save it. So we cannot add a group here because it should not be specific to any group, because if we add a group, it will got another error that like if the group is not assigned, and like either both of these fields should be under the same group, or both should be not under the any of the group. Okay, so let me upgrade the module again now. So the module has been upgraded. Let me go here and refresh the page, and let me open it like this. So if I try to see this, it belongs to San Francisco, which is the logged in one, and let me change to the other one, which is Chicago. So we already logged in with both of these companies. So if I select a record from another company, which is not the company of the record, and I try to save it, it says that you cannot select. So it stops the user from doing such mistakes, which is very important. Okay. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.